Hi, today we're going to be looking at my September 2018 Bomibag. It comes in a mailer, which is a little bit flimsy, and in the past, I've been getting this subscription bag for 6 months. I have had one item come completely shattered, but I emailed them and they sent me a brand new bag, which was very nice. It was a little slow, but it's still okay, so that was great. So basically, this is not in the container, which is different, but they're really cute. With a little bunny, little ears, little butt tail, so cute. Okay, so it looks like the first item is a Pyeongkang Yule Acne Facial Cleanser. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. I'm not proficient in Korean. But that's pretty cool because I find a lot of the Korean beauty products are really moisturizing, and I have oily skin, so it's nice that they have some acne products. A little rubber band to keep everything together. It looks like it's a mask heavy box this month. They don't include an insert anymore. They used to have really cute little inserts, but lately they've just been sending an email in advance of the package being shipped. So I have it pulled up on my phone, which, to be frank, I don't like that much, but still overall this is a great box, or bag. I get the Bomibag. So let's see. White Pearlsation Revitalizing Pearl Treatment Toner. Monthly New Feet. These are so cool. They're little exfoliating treatments for your feet, and cute little socks. Really excited about that. These same brand, Acne Mask, which is great. Everyday Bounce Face Mask. Super, super, super cute packaging. I love it. And a low pH hydrating sheet mask. So this month's theme was exfoliation. So all of these products should help with that. There's one not skincare item, which is kind of nice. And overall it's pretty mask heavy, 3 masks in the box, but I'm super pleased because I got a full-size product this month. The bag is $19.99. I really liked it. I'm kind of debating with myself whether to stay with the $19.99 smaller bag or to increase to the more expensive but more full-size products Bommy box. I think for right now I'll stick with the Bommy bag, and I will see you next month.